and welcome back to Rainbow Brush. My name is Brian, of course, and today we are going to learn how to draw Jett from Super Wings. This should be a really fun drawing. I hope you follow along. Make sure you get a pencil, maybe a marker if you feel really good at it, and follow along with me. If you make any mistakes, make sure you erase them. It's okay, or keep them. Maybe sometimes it makes it look better. I have had some drawings that look way better from little tiny mistakes that I've made, and I've went along with them. So here we are, we're gonna draw the face of Jett, of course, and then we're gonna move on from there. If you do draw with pencil, just go back over with marker at the end and erase the pencil, and it'll be like it never happened. Just don't draw really hard. Simple as that. So already we're moving, we're rolling right along, and you're doing an amazing job. Congratulations to you. For those of you that don't know, find out that Jett is a fun-loving jet plane that delivers packages to children around the world in an animated series. Jett teams up with the Super Wings, a group of airplanes that can turn into robots, transforming themselves, of course, to tackle challenges and work through issues that teach problem-solving skills and the importance of cultural diversity and getting along with each other. So I think that's a really cool message. And of course, it's a fun show to watch. So who does the Super Wings crew include? You may be asking yourself, and this is your answer. Mission Director Jimbo, Rescue Copper Dizzy, Gadget Guru Donnie, and Expert Navigator Jerome. An important part of the group because the planes travel to 52 cities and 45 countries on their adventures, requiring help, of course, to navigate. So I think that that is a really, really progressive and cool show to watch if you're a kid. And if you're a parent, hey, check it out and see what you think, and then maybe your kid should be watching it. I don't know. I'm not sponsored by them at all. I just thought I'd give you a shout out there. All right, so we are drawing some legs on this guy, and he's gonna be a plane basically with some legs. How cool would it be to be able to transform into something else? I always loved the movies and the cartoons for Transformers, as well as this show, because it just gives you some hope, it gives you some imagination, and it would just be awesome, I think, to be a robot that can change into different things. So Veterans Day is coming up. Maybe it's Veterans Day as you're watching this. I just want to say thank you so much for your service to all the veterans out there as we draw this picture. You have done so much, and your family has done so much, and you are an amazing person. And I give thanks to you for sure. And saying that, Thanksgiving is also coming up, and I'm still hungry. I am super excited about Thanksgiving. Well, we are almost done with this drawing. It went by so fast, didn't it? We're gonna draw some hands basically here, and we're gonna color it in. We're going to see what colors fit best. You could fit any color in there that you want, and then draw something in the background. Draw a volcano. Draw a city being attacked. I don't know. You can draw someone getting helped. Maybe someone helping an old lady across the street. Up to you. Thank you so much for watching Rainbow Brush and this tutorial. You are an amazing person. Please make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment, and of course, I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.